Alright guys, so today I'm going to install something quick and easy, and it's going to be a hardtop hoist. All it is just a bunch of ropes and pulleys, and I already did part of it. All I had to do was find a stud in the ceiling and just put one of those hook screws in. I'll show you this. Alright, so now I'm marked the other stud so I can put the other side of the pulley. I'm going to put it over a little more so that when I put it against the wall, it's not going to be in the way too much and hitting any of the stuff here that I have hanging on the side. And then you just want to screw this up in there. Okay guys, so you see this hook here? I already put that one up there. That one's just in the center of the garage. That's where the car will sit, and that's where the main section will be. All I did was the same thing as the other hoop over here, over on the other side that you just watched me hook up. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab the pulley assembly. Well, I'll show you guys it real quick, and then I'll grab it and I'll hook it all up and show you how it goes. Okay guys, as you can see, this is the pulley system. So what we have here is the first hook, the one that sits in the middle. That's the main pulley. And this one right here connects to the harness that attaches to the hardtop, which I'll show you once I put that together. And then this one goes up to the second one that you guys watched me put in, that one right there. And then on the side here is an anchor for the wall to hold it and stop it from going up and down. And then there's a bunch of ropes so that you have enough room to go against your shop. It's pretty sick and very simple, and you can really make your own. The first pulley is this guy right here, very basic. One big wheel in the center. And then we got this guy right here. A little more complex. He's got 3 wheels, all doing something different. Here's another one, just 2, with a hook on the top. That'll focus. It's got a little something to tie it onto. But yeah, so now I'm gonna attach it to the ceiling up there real quick. So I already know there's a stud here, so I'm just gonna So this one was set up for my old garage, so it shouldn't be too different than before. I might just have to loosen this off a little bit to adjust it properly. The Japanese tying knot for all you kinky fuckers out there. So it's got one of those funky knots on there. Sorry, this doesn't want to focus. Boom. Pretty straightforward. This is so scary. Oh my god. It's scary. I mean, if I can hang off of it, I can't imagine it not being able to work. Oh, it's so scary though. It's not putting too much pressure on the spoiler. I think it's gonna be okay. It's not even budging. Anything there. Nothing budging. Holy crap, guys, look at this. Like, I'm standing below my hardtop. Oh my god. The whole time I was doing it, it wasn't moving, wasn't budging. None of the bolts, there's whatever you want to call it, the hook bolts, hook nuts, hook screws. None of them were moving. Oh, it's just so sketchy. I mean, lots of room now, and it's way easier to deal with. Yeah, it's definitely different. I'm almost scared to bring the Miata back in here and put it underneath it. But it's from Moss Miata, in case you guys are wondering where I got it. I actually got it second hand off of someone that bought it from Moss Miata and never actually installed it. So I kind of scored on that. But it is the Moss Miata kit. The instructions were the same. And yeah, look at this. You can get up in here and see how your stuff's doing. Not the prettiest, that's for sure. Yeah, that's cool. Different, completely different view of my hardtop, that's for sure. I really need to get an LED for this thing. I'm sorry guys, it's coming. I haven't ordered it yet, but I will get one. I realized it's needed. Oh, that's so weird though. Hardtop is directly behind me. Like what? What? Yeah, that's something you're definitely going to have to back into and use, because I don't feel right. I'd have to back it up to get it in right. I'm like barely touching here. Whatever it is, what it is, it kind of sucks. But nothing really I could have done about that, unfortunately. Only so much room to work with. Alright guys, so there it is, up and installed. If I back in, it's perfect, but for what I need, it's not gonna work. Or for if I go forward, it's not gonna work, but other than that, it's perfect. So what you guys want to, what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna use it as a little bump stop in case I need to ever pull in here real quick, you know? A little something to know exactly where I need to stop before I start having issues. But yeah, it works. It'll be fine. I just gotta back in and out to make it work, and then it won't be too much of a problem. But yeah. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. If you guys like the video, you know, like the video. If you guys like the product, it's from Moss Miata. I'm not sponsored or anything, but if you guys want to sponsor me, hit me up. I buy a lot of shit from you guys. But other than that, thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe, guys.